Hi everyone and welcome to Romanticize Rexburg. This was my idea this semester for my WordPress page. For those of you who don't know, to romanticize your life is to fall in love with the mundane things. So waking up in the morning and getting ready and taking a bath and just doing little things here and there to make the mundane or the normal day-to-day things a little bit more exciting. So I had this idea of Romanticize Rexburg as a almost graduating in April. I've been here in Rexburg for a while, and so I wanted to kind of share the hidden secrets and the magic behind the places in Rexburg. So that's my whole idea for this website. Just diving in. Up here in the corner is my logo. It's two R's that say Romanticize Rexburg. It's the brand colors that I've kind of established for this website. I wanted this website to feel very whimsical, very kind of like romantic, to like romanticize your life. So here we have this slider here with the flowers in the background, and then again the kind of tagline for my website is bringing magic to the mundane. So you can click here to go to my blog, or you can click here to go to my contact page, but we'll just click over here. So for my blog, I had the intention of writing just different secrets about Rexburg, but to dive in, I first wanted to kind of establish like what exactly is romanticism, like I started the presentation off with. So that's what this is. It talks about the French saying "La vie en rose," and talks a little bit about that. So I only have one blog post here, but my intentions are to have many. Over here's my contact page. Introduces myself, a little bit about me, and so I said I love my life and I try every day to make a memory. I feel that when our lives are full of memories, we see more of the blessings than anything. I think that during the pandemic was the first time I ever heard of romanticizing my life. I was confused as to how I could ever do that when my life was no longer my own. I learned a lot and I'm happy to share with you. So I feel like a lot of us can relate to the pandemic kind of taking our normal situations and making them different. So this was a big thing for me in loving my life again. And down here you can just enter your name, your email address, message, answer a little math equation, and send it to me. And then over here is my my store. Currently it's being a little difficult, but my intentions were to have products such as guides for dates around Rexburg or restaurants around Rexburg, just like little guides that I would sell for anywhere from $5 to $10, depending on the length and the product itself. Other than that, I could see this being like an affiliate marketing where I would, again, with local businesses, share their products. So I hope you enjoyed Romanticize Rexburg. I'm very proud of it, and I hope to continue it and see where it can go. Thank you.